Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this easy heat-proof everyday makeup. I'm going to start off with the Henriksen Sea Rush Gel Cream all over my face and underneath my eyes. And I'm going to be using the Shiseido SPF stick, which is 50+. Now I'm going to prime with the Mercier Pure Canvas Blurring Primer all over my face. And using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter to map up my brows and then fill it in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow in 4.5. I've sped this part up because it took a really long time to do my brows, so. And now I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Cream Beige. I like to use this on an everyday basis. It's not too full coverage. And you can easily use your fingers for this because it's a stick. Now for some blush, I'm going to be using the Fenty Cheeks Out Cream Blush in Petal Poppin. I really like this blush actually, it stays on a really long time. I'm just going to blend that in with my Real Techniques blush, and then I'm going to add some liquid highlight, which is the Opal Liquid Highlight by Becca. Just on the high points of the face, on the cheeks, cupid's bow, bridge of the nose. I'm going to set everything with the Soap and Glory powder underneath my eyes and on my T-zone. Since it's a really hot day, I'm going to just set more than I usually would. And for powder blush, I'm going to be using the Nars Behave blush. It's a really subtle pink and I think it works for every day. And I'm going to be using the Dior 002 Glitz highlighter palette. I'm just going to be using the most tame highlight from the palette. And to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Nars Tinted Eye Primer all over my eyes, blending it in, and then going in with a slight shadow. I'm going to set that in. And I'm going to be using the Fenty bronzer as a shadow just to contour the eyes and in the crease. And now I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeliner. And this is a really easy step that makes a big difference, I think. You can just use your fingers to blend it out. It doesn't have to be even or anything, it's just a base. And now I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. I'm still getting used to this mascara and the results are pretty good, I think. Considering it is 2 mascaras in one. So it's 2 coats. But still, it's pretty good. So I started with the volume side and now I'm using the curl side. And you can see how much of a difference it makes. And I just like to separate my lashes after mascara using this little tool. Otherwise it gets really clumpy. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. I like to take my time with mascara. It's one of the longest parts of my routine. I'm getting rid of all the clumps. And you can see it's a pretty good mascara, although I am still trying it out. I'm just going to add a little bit more of that liner. And using the Clarins tint, I'm going to tint my lips. Make sure it's nice and even. And then going in with the Dior Lip Maximizer in 007. It's a perfect everyday gloss. And of course, to set everything in for these humid days, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And here we have it, my everyday heat-proof easy makeup. And here you can see the makeup in natural light. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.